digital transformation for the manufacturing company, XVL offers a powerful solution. In short, companies can increase manufacturing throughput by achieving higher levels of efficiency with increased quality. Companies use XVL to streamline processes downstream from product design, satisfying a number of use cases. More on that later. This is all made possible by a unique 3D format that is CAD agnostic and accurate. In this video, we will cover the 3-step process for using XVL. We'll begin the journey with your native CAD. Whatever you're using, even multiple systems, it doesn't matter. XVL is CAD agnostic. The first step is conversion. The second step is authoring use case specific interactive documents. And the third step is publishing and sharing. XVL is a unique format that was designed to serve the needs of companies that manufacture complex products. XVL is the lightest weight, CAD agnostic 3D format in the industry that also delivers CAD level accuracy. Why is this important? If your company designs complex products, there are lots of subassemblies, lots and lots of parts, hundreds, thousands, and probably in multiple CAD files, and maybe multiple CAD formats. That's a problem, but not for XVL. All of those files can be jammed into a single XVL file so that people who need the entire product can work with the entire virtual product, and they don't have to be CAD jockeys to do it. And yes, there's a tremendous amount of technology behind XVL. That includes things like computing freeform surfaces, tangent plane continuity, and Gregory patches. We have a paper on such things, but for now, just know it works. XVL is a lightweight solution that can help you solve heavyweight problems. First, the multiple CAD files for a product are converted into a single XVL file. The authoring step is next. Users with no CAD experience can utilize the CAD data for various needs, like creating and managing the bill of materials, assembly planning, and creating digital work instructions. And the last step is publishing for consumption. After publishing, user access to the authored XVL is free, with a number of alternatives, including Microsoft Excel. Next, we will briefly cover each of these 3 steps. Now you have a single CAD agnostic file, which is your entire virtual product. No matter how many designers were involved, or how many CAD files were used, or how large those files might be, or how many different CAD systems were used, one file, the complete digital version of your product. This is the foundation. Authoring is the step where you take the virtual product data with all of its subassemblies, parts, and metadata to create solutions for various use cases. Just to name a few: conduct design reviews, plan and validate the assembly process, create digital work instructions, produce technical documents, create electronic spare parts catalogs. And now for the best part. XVL has many options for publishing and sharing what has been created in the authoring step. The options include Microsoft Excel, interactive web pages, and a Windows app. And all of these are free for the consumer to use. This enables the digital enterprise. Consider all of the stakeholders, internal and external, who need to use product data simply and quickly with minimally configured hardware, just basic laptops or even tablets, and still have access to the complete virtual product. Having your complete virtual product available to stakeholders is a game changer. For complex products, this is very difficult without XVL. XVL can connect to your PLM or PDM system. It can also be used standalone and has its own versioning capability. The XVL solutions were designed to be used downstream from design, making it easy for non-CAD people to use their 3D data. As we covered, all CAD files for a product, even those from different systems, can be brought into a single XVL file. This file is ultra lightweight, usually less than 1% of the original CAD file size, which enables the performance you need and can make it possible for the entire product to be accessible. Yet, XVL retains CAD level accuracy, so it can be used for real work. Discover what XVL could mean for your company by visiting info.lattice3d.com/XVL.